Jesus, lads, look what I've just turned up to. Nice little sofa bed. Somebody screwed this in through here. Look at this one. A mastic on it. Oh my god, state of that. Look at the state of that. That's what you call a bodged job. Let's get this done properly. Little update. I've cleaned off some of this foot. Somebody has obviously repaired it. And they've obviously put the nut on the inside, which is a big no-no. These always have to go in from the back. And we've completely hashed this job up. Have it. So, Mr. Mastic Man, whoever you are, should be well ashamed of yourself. I'm going to chop this out and swap it for a piece of ply. There you have it. Where this bad boy comes into use. Don't be afraid to get your wood glue on there. Employed, the workshop paid for it. Don't be afraid of using it. Solid. Just the cover back on. Yeah, everything. Have it all done, tidied up, feet are on, nice and solid, all the job done. Job done, easy.